One of the most common, like the most common things right now, when I'm asking what companies need, what I can do, the number one thing I'm hearing is, do you know anyone that's qualified and looking for work? What do you do? What can you do for free in your own outreach? If you're asking yourself that question, I have one solution here. Well, I just got out of the Monday morning sales meeting. We meet early in the morning to kind of go over where we're at as a company at Thomas Skinner and all of that kind of stuff. Sales, promotions, success stories, any failures, what we can learn from them. Really just trying to keep the whole team connected because we span all of Western Canada. They brought up the Haas Journal. So at the end of the meeting, I pulled it up. One of the most common, like the most common things right now, when I'm asking what companies need, what I can do, the number one thing I'm hearing is, do you know anyone that's qualified and looking for work? Now, it might be the same where you are. You might have an abundance. If so, send them to Western Canada because we're struggling to find people. What do you do? What can you do for free in your own outreach? And if you're asking yourself that question, I have one solution here. You may not know this, but Haas offers free online certification. You sign up on the Haas portal, you create an account, you watch the different chapters, lessons, you quiz, and then you have a final practical skill set, like hands-on a machine at your local HFO. If you're in Western Canada, that would be Thomas Skinner. And after that, you get this beautiful certificate of completion. It'll have that person's name on it, which means it can be part of their resume package and everything. So you might be wondering, okay, great, but I don't even have people. The beautiful thing about this is, one, you can share it with the people in your life. If you love the trades, you're sharing it with the people in your life, right? This is also a great way for young people, old people, people looking for a change, maybe people sitting at home on their couches wondering, I want to go back to work. I hate my job. I hate the career path I'm on. This is a great way to explore that career path and start taking the online training. Maybe you decide you hate it. Okay, cool. Didn't cost you anything except a little bit of your time. Haas put together a fantastic package. It's really set up to make sure that people, when you finish, that you get that certificate of completion, that you have skills necessary to run these machines. What else could you ask for? You might fall in love with a new career path like I have and so many others. The rewards you get, challenges you get to face, the problem solving, the continuous growth opportunities, the fact that you get to use your hand in a daily effort. I know transferring to sales 6 years ago, I've had to find other things to do with my hands creatively because I'm not on the machines anymore. So I have that missing now in my life, that I've still got to be able to do projects and do other things with my hands. Otherwise, it just feels really empty. So if you're sitting at home or you're a shop and you're looking to try to get more people interested in the trades, I really recommend you send them the free training opportunities through the Haas portal. Get them to make an account, maybe sit down with them, help them out if they're not familiar. Maybe even sit with them as they go through a couple of the programs to help them understand if they're having trouble, but programs are really well laid out, so not probably necessary. Thank you so much for checking this out. Remember, there's always opportunities out there. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep those spindles turning. And